Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, as the spokesman of peterobi in this community that we are in, peterobi has come out to lambast the the president or the presidency of wanting to buy another private jet. But I think Omna said that the one that they presently have, it's faulty, so they will need to get another one. That's the House of Assembly. Do you think this is the right move? Because you see hunger and the economic crisis in Nigeria, security issues and here and there. But do you think that's the right move for the presidency to get another new private jet?
No. I don't subscribe to it because there's massive poverty in the land. There's hunger, and like we saw the last Salah, the Eid al-Kabir. You saw how people were struggling to buy rams. Even the one that cannot buy rams, to even buy something at home for their families. It became an equivalent tax for them and everything. So I don't support the acquiring of a private jet at this particular time in Nigeria. Like I saw something on the BBC, a man that had been killing ram from 1976. 1976, this man had been killing ram. That's close to 50 years. He could not kill ram this year. He said it that the price is too high, and there are many people like that that cannot even afford basic things. Look at the price of tomatoes, look at the price of... Many people cannot even afford to send their children to school again. One man called the radio station, he was complaining that to send the children to school, now the money to send children to school is no longer there. He only have money to feed his children. Am I right? So buying private jet for now, I don't think that is the right move. And like I've been saying, our politicians generally, it doesn't matter if... I'm not talking about Bola Ahmed Tinubu alone. Majority of them, they don't care about the average citizen. You understand? They don't read the mood of the citizens. Acquiring private jet as at now it should not be the number one task of the government. We saw, for example, at exactly the same time that Bola Ahmed Tinubu became president, was that time too that Javier Milei in Argentina became president too. Go and look at what that man is in Argentina. We saw, for example, in Senegal, their president now is made sure that that the tax on food, I mean the import duty on food, is being heavily subsidized, if not removed altogether, to make sure that the citizens of Senegal are enjoying. These are what we expect our own leaders to do in this place. You understand? Look at, okay, is there something on anything? No. At the end of the day, what we heard is that Hajj is being subsidized. Like I've been saying, Hajj is a private something. You can go to Mecca if you have the money. Government should not subsidize those kind of things. I have been seeing governments all across, even the state government, subsidizing these things, which does not benefit the whole masses. Only benefits some few people in Nigeria. So what I'm saying in essence is this: Peter Obi is right. He's right in saying this thing because we have to care for the masses first. And we've been seeing attacks against Peter Obi. I don't know why it's like that. Different people attacking the man. Understand? And like I've been saying in Nigeria, if you see an irrelevant politician, a useless activist, an irresponsible businessman, anytime they want to trend in this country is to attack Peter Obi, the obedience, or the igbo, the tribe of Peter Obi. I don't understand. Instead of you to face the issue, now we are seeing what's happening in Nigeria. We are seeing a high level of insecurity, of hunger. But no, everything you do is to attack Peter Obi. Like I've been saying, Peter Obi is not the problem. He has not been the problem. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, as you can see, look at how people are trekking. Many people cannot even afford transportation fare to go to work because the salary has not increased. But look at the price of food. You want to go from here now to Lekki, for example, you must have like 1,500.
That's too small.
For that, what I'm saying is that how can now, for example, our highest currency is 1,000. Tell me any nation that in the same state that you have to use way more than your highest currency to do transportation from the same state. You are in Lagos, from here now to Lekki, 1,500 at least. You know what I'm saying? So these are the issues that our leaders should look into. Leave Peter Obi alone and face the issues, all of you. You understand? Everybody, Peter Obi, everybody, Peter Obi, everybody, Peter Obi, everybody, Peter Obi. What is the problem? Everybody, you want to do anything, it is the Igbos. Want to do anything, it is the Igbos. What have they done? The only crime they've done is to make sure that they are everywhere. They are doing their business. And like I'm saying, anywhere you go that you don't see an Igbo man, you have to run away from there. They are everywhere doing their business. They are majorly peaceful people. Do you understand? So every time you want to attack, every time you are looking for anything, is to attack Peter Obi, is to attack where it comes from. I'm not for that. Nigeria is the standard. Nigeria is still one nation, one country. So everybody has a stake in this country. Like I've been saying, Nigeria is like a keke napep, a tricycle. There are 3 tires to it. If you remove one, no matter how you pray, how you wish, 2 cannot make it move. Until there's this inclusiveness. See, let me tell you, poverty has bound Nigerian people together. Nigerians are bound together by poverty. Any tribe that they are, 70% of Nigerians, they are poor. But instead of them now to see that we are poor, let us come together. Election will come. Politicians, they know what they know the weak point of Nigerians. They just throw in that tribalism card, and you see everybody will move to that same direction. We can't continue like this. Let's stop deceiving ourselves. We want Nigeria to work. Since we want to work, then we should face the issues and leave semantics. In this country, presidential jets, how? And then you are seeing the first New York Times. Did you see what they published? The massive poverty in Nigeria, massive poverty, real-time poverty in Nigeria. People are not using garden egg. People are not using cucumber to cook stew. And I thought somebody came to meet me and said, he can never afford to buy egg. I said, go and buy garden egg now. If you don't have money to buy egg, buy garden egg. Egg na egg.
To do what? To eat right?
I don't. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you don't have money to buy garden egg, buy egg. To buy egg, buy garden egg. Egg is there, garden egg. Put it there. If you don't have money to cook okra, use okata. That because you have left the issues and focus on a man that according to INEC, he took third. INEC said he took third, but every time you face the man, there's the first, who is the president, the second, who is supposed to be the opposition leader, Atiku. Then the problem, everybody, the energy is on the third. That's what I'm saying.
But at least Peter Obi coming out to always say the fact, or always come online to counter the current leadership of this country. But at least we've seen Atiku too once in a while come about. Do you not think they may call for his arrest if we consistently kick against what they are doing?
No, nobody can. That's not possible now. As far as he has not committed any treasonable offense.
But they've come out. We've heard several rumors of them wanting to arrest Peter Obi.
It's not possible. It can only be a rumor. It can only be a rumor. Nobody can arrest him. He has not called for treasonable felony. He has not done anything that warrants his arrest. All he's done is to criticize the government constructively. His supporters, when it comes to the most intelligent supporter in Nigeria, his supporters are the most intelligent, the obedience. When it comes to intellect, when it comes to IQ, the obedience are way and shoulders above every other people in Nigeria. And funny enough, he has the most supporters in Nigeria. Because the more he puts people into poverty, the more supporters that he has. The more people, some of them are beginning to regret now that they regretted voting for their president. They are regretting now. So you see all these poor people on the street. You see all these bread sellers, these fruit sellers, this tricycle, this everybody now. They are now obedient because they are suffering. Poverty has united them. So because we see, like I want to say, you can't see the truth and then you keep deceiving yourself. That time for deception is over. You understand what I'm saying? So people have now because you see, even if you don't want to be wise, poverty will make you wise. Poverty is not making people to be wise. But as people come out to complain, the other one he was complaining yesterday. How he can never afford anything for his family? Asala. You understand? That ordinarily every salary he do something, but this year's salary he could not do anything. He's complaining. So that is it. So the citizens now they've seen that the way the country is going, there is no there is no end in sight to this poverty, to this hunger, and to this insecurity. Poverty has now binded the people together. There is now time for the people now to now see that, wow, we are now one in poverty. We are now one in hunger and hardship. But like I said earlier, politicians, they know how they always do it. Very soon, they will divide them again with this tribal and religious card. And the people will be divided again, and they won't be able to even speak for themselves. They won't be able to even know their common enemy. The poor people are not they are not the enemy of themselves. They have one common enemy in the politicians who have refused to give them basic amenities. That you have to start praying for basic amenities in Nigeria. You must pray. Oh, government is doing our road, testimony. A government wants to build a hospital, testimony. Which are supposed to be the basic amenities that they should provide for them. But it's because the government have made them to suffer to that extent that they will not have to call for testimony on what should ordinarily be their basic rights and amenities. So the people should wise up. It is not time for religion and tribal sentiment. People now should see that we are united in poverty, hunger has united us, and they should learn to speak with one voice. But like I said, I'm afraid. Politicians, they will throw that tribalism card again, and they will be divided again. So that is the problem that we have in Nigeria. Peter Obi is not the problem. Peter Obi is doing the right thing that an opportunity that should do. Peter Obi is right on track.